Hi guys, I hope you're having an awesome day today. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out the VISEART Petite Pro DEUX mini eyeshadow palette. The tiniest, most adorable palette in the whole world right here. Got this adorable little palette in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of June. And today I'm going to show you how I created this eyeshadow look right here. And I'm also going to share some swatches with you and give you my overall thoughts about this tiny little palette. So if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so this adorable little palette has my heart because it's so tiny compared to my hand. Like, it's so tiny and adorable. And I love the packaging. When you open it up, it's like this. You get a really cute mirror, and this is the color story. You get a total of 8 shadows in here. And I know VISEART is pretty expensive. I'll have the price on the screen. I forgot the price of this, but I know that overall their brand is really expensive, but they do have a pretty great eyeshadow formula, and I have it swatched for you guys. It's now that I'm looking at the swatches, this little palette is really more versatile than I expected it to be. You have some neutrals going on, but some really pretty shimmers, some purples and berries, and some browns going on, and all in this tiny adorable palette, which in my opinion is perfect to travel with. But right now we're going to go ahead and get into this eyeshadow look right here. Okay guys, the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids using the NYX eyeshadow base in the shade white, and I'm just going to use my finger to apply this all over my eyelids, getting near the brow bone. Now I'm dipping into that beautiful coral peachy shade Nectar, and I'm using like a small fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply it all over my crease, and I'm going to get all the way to the top of my inner lid. I'm going to drag it down a little bit. And first I'm focusing on making sure that I pack on the pigment and that I have everything nice and even. When it comes to pigment, that I don't have any patchiness going on. And then I'll start blending with the same brush, like dragging the shadow a little bit higher right above my crease to make sure that I don't have any harsh lines. And this shadow was a lot more pigmented than I expected it to be, but also super nice and blendable and smooth. And I really did enjoy it. So I'm focusing it on the crease and the inner top lid, trying to leave the outer corner clean because we're going to apply some more shadows there. But now I'm focusing on the blending with the same brush. I'm just dragging the shadow a little bit higher above my crease to make it softer, and also making sure that I don't have any harsh lines. Now I'm going in with that beautiful rosy shimmer Primrose, and I'm using this lid brush from the brand Luna Magic, and I'm going to place it on the inner part of my lid, so just the inner part. And this shadow turned out to be more pink than I expected it to be, but it did work out in the end, and especially because it's like applied right on top of that darker shadow. So it turned out to be a little bit more pink, but I did actually enjoy it. It was really nice and creamy, and I'm using the tip of my brush to go along the natural curve of my eyelid and create sort of a cut crease effect. But I did enjoy this shadow overall. And now we're going to go to the next shimmer, and I'm going to dip into that sort of dark purple burgundy shimmer called Cosmos. Really pretty and a little darker, and I'm going to place this on the outer part of my lid and also blend it towards the front a little bit so that we have a nice transition between the two shimmers, and I really enjoy them together. I did get some fallout with this, so be careful. Then I'm going back in with that smaller brush from earlier, and without adding any product to it, I'm just going to clean around the edges and blend that darker shimmer to make sure that it's nice and placed there and it's not all messy. Then I'm going in with a little sponge that has some setting powder on it, and just cleaning upwards just to clean the edge right there and make a nice and even like line. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use this angled brush from Morphe, small angled brush, and I'm gonna dip into that beautiful matte purple foxglove, and I'm gonna create my wing liner with this. And I absolutely love this shadow because it's really nice and pigmented and dark, but it's not like typical purples that are very like rosy or like lavender. Very beautiful deep purple. And I'm creating a very soft thin line towards the front of my eye, and then focusing the drama on the outer part where the wing is created, because I want the drama to be there. But overall, I love this shadow so much. I also decided to place some of that purple shadow underneath my lower lash line, but only like halfway towards the front, not all the way in, because I don't want the dark shadow to be towards the front of my eye. But just really pretty, and I wanted to bring it all together with this beautiful purple. I did get a little bit of fallout, but I was being very like quick and not being careful, so keep that in mind. I always do my shadow after my face makeup. Maybe you shouldn't. But then I'm going to go in with that small brush from earlier and dip into the brown just a little bit. And since I have this fluffy brush, I decided to go ahead and blend a little bit to make that purple a little bit softer, but keep the smokiness going on. And I really did enjoy that. I think it turned out super nicely. Then I'm going to dip into that purple shimmer from earlier, and I'm going to apply it to the inner half of underneath my lower lash line, just to create some light in that area and have some contrast as well. And I really did like it. I like how everything looks underneath my lower lash line. I'm going to use that cream shadow petal just to clean up around the front part of my eye because I want a little bit dramatic with it. This is the perfect shadow to use as an eraser. Then I applied that beautiful shimmer Aster to my inner corner, and it's just really pretty and brings some light to that area, and I enjoyed it. And I'm also going to apply some black liner to my waterline, and I'm using the Real Her 24-hour eyeliner in the shade I Am Amazing. And I'm going to finish off the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back to show you guys the final look. Okay guys, so this is how the look turned out. What do you guys think? I was not expecting to be able to get such a smoky look going on, but this palette really surprised me, especially this beautiful purple. I feel like a lot of purple tone palettes do not get right like this shade here, which is sort of a deep purple that's not lavender, it's not like pink toned. Really beautiful in my opinion, and I was able to create my wing liner with that. And I love that. The shimmers are really pretty. Some of them are darker than others, and I didn't expect to like it. I mean, I knew I was gonna like it, but it's more versatile, I guess. I always get surprised when I know I can create a very soft look with this, but today I created a pretty dark look. But if I use some of the lighter shadows in here, I can definitely create a very soft look, like perfect for everyday wear. So that makes me excited about this adorable little palette, which is so beautiful and cute and tiny. But I like the look in the end. I'm happy that I was able to play with makeup today. Let me share with you guys what I used on my lips, because I finally have a new combo. I always use the same lip products, but today I used new things, and I'm so proud of myself. So I lined my lips with the House Laboratories RIP lip liner in the shade Rule, which is a brown, really pretty brown, perfect to line my lips. And the lipstick that I went with is the ColourPop Lippy Sticks in the shade Fab. And I've had this for a while. It was brand new. Totally forgot. It's pretty nude. Totally forgot that I owned it. And I finally tried it out today, and I am in love with the formula. So it's a really pretty nude. Perfect for me as a nude. And then on top, I went in with the Beauty For Real Nudist Lip Gloss that I got from Ipsy. And it's like a really pretty nude combo. And I think it's a really pretty like nude lipstick combo, and I'm really happy with it and happy to have like a new lip nude lip routine, I guess. I mean, I'm gonna keep trying new ones, but I have so many lipsticks and lip products, and I sometimes like don't try them out because I get stuck on the same products. But yeah guys, I really enjoyed it. If you have this palette, I think you will love it. The formula performs so nicely, very blendable, extremely pigmented. But yeah guys, I really love that little palette, and I think that's gonna be the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up for me so I know to make more like this. Definitely go ahead and subscribe if you haven't yet, because I make a lot of makeup tutorials, I do reviews, unboxings, and I love all things beauty, and I share all of that in my channel here. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys. Mwah.